COVID-19 pandemic is much associated with psychological fatigue, giving rise to a new term called pandemic fatigue. According to a study conducted among the population of Istanbul, around 64.1% of the participants were found with psychological fatigue as the main mental health issue due to the effect of COVID-19 pandemic. Psychological factors play a very essential role during any pandemic. Due to significant day-to-day rise in positive coronavirus cases, stress among the people has increased. Also, factors like the loss of their loved ones, financial crisis, travel restrictions, the closing of workplace and schools and self-isolation have contributed much to psychological problems, giving rise to increased mental health issues. 1. In this article, we will discuss pandemic fatigue in details along with other terms like Zoom and messaging fatigue. Take a look. With the sudden appearance of a new contagious virus, people across the world have become scared due to spread of the infection. COVID-19 has not only put people's financial and safety at risk but had also posed a psychological challenge to them. Among other clinical symptoms of COVID-19 such as fever, shortness of breath and dry cough, fatigue has also become one of the primary symptoms due to a rise in the number of cases. Fatigue can either be a symptom of an underlying physical problem or a manifestation of some mental disorder or both. Factors like age, physical condition, mental status and gender influence the experience of fatigue by an individual. It can also be due to excessive stress, exercise or any pathological reaction. Conditions like restricted physical movement, lockdown, self-isolation and social isolation have also negatively affected the mental well-being of a person, leading to fatigue. Another study highlights the point that changes in normal practices such as avoiding crowding places, physical distancing, the stress of washing hands all the time and increased insight on virus transmission through media sources are linked to fatigue. How to deal with pandemic fatigue. Pandemic fatigue can cause troubles in day-to-day life such as sleeping problems, brain fog, lack of motivation, withdrawal from things and argue with people. The best way to cope with these problems are 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep of at least 7 hours a day can help reduce psychological fatigue. Sleep deprivation can worsen the situation and lead you to other mental problems such as depression. Therefore, make a bedtime routine and follow it strictly. 2. Exercise every day. Exercising every day will not only boost your immune system but will also provide you with psychological benefits. It helps lower your stress by relaxing your mind. Exercising should be a part of a lifestyle as it helps improve the quality of life of a person. 3. Avoid listening to every COVID-19 news. COVID-19 news is everywhere. It's good to stay informed about the ongoing scenario, but listening to each and every news about COVID-19 may affect you in a negative way and cause fatigue. Listen to news with accurate sources and stay positive to cope with the situation efficiently. 4. Connect to loved ones. The lockdown imposed due to COVID-19 has given an opportunity to many to connect to loved ones. Spend time with your family and friends or connect to them through digital sources such as phones or video calls. This will prevent the feeling of isolation and thus, prevent fatigue. 5. Accept your emotions. The pandemic has filled people with mixed emotions. It can be the pain due to loss of loved ones, stress due to virus spread and feeling of loneliness due to staying far away from family or due to self-isolation. Accept your emotions in a positive way as ignoring them can cause physical stress or lead to more chronic forms such as depression. To conclude, pandemic-related anxiety and fear is the main cause of pandemic fatigue. Long-term fatigue can lead to chronic depression or other psychiatric illnesses. As the end of COVID-19 pandemic cannot be determined, it is very important to make ways to deal with the situation. Consult a mental health expert or reach out to family and friends to enhance your personal well-being in pandemic times such as this.